Well, I just now I went to a doctor's and I had some meds, had a snack, meds and a smoke, and then I came back, smoke and a tea. Ah, so listen, the stuff which I want to tell you is I don't want troubles, right? I don't want troubles in everyone's life. So that's why I made my decision to give it away as it is. Why create troubles by nudes and by stuff, all this stuff? Look, someone challenges me in Bombay that, what do you call it? First they said that about the property, then a fight happened, and so what I was supposed to do? I answered. The nudes, okay, come out, make nudes, okay, huh? So that's how what do you call it? Everyone should tackle this shit. And if I challenge that, you made so what? You proved you're a sextortion fellow, the Chembur West guy, that gang, the Chembur West people. So. So they will be like, let's spread it, whatever they want to do, they do. But I only have to give these details that I don't use Facebook and all this crap. I don't use it. So over here, though, I don't think anyone is doing this way, the Facebook and all those stuff. But in Chembur West, they must be doing a lot. Over here, who does this? Yeah. So, Chembur West must be doing the most. So, emails got blocked and all this stuff. So, you yourself are fucked. Huh? Email IDs, fake accounts, stealing from LAN server and then uploading it. So, you yourself are getting fucked. मैं क्या करूँ? याद हो मेरे को ऐसा कोई लगता नहीं है ऐसा कोई इतना कुछ करेगा. Why they will do? Why these people will do? The troubles which Chembur West is putting on everyone, they are not gonna get trouble. I'm giving them the clearance. Why these people will do this then? So I am giving this territory a clearance. My parents live here. My family was, what do you call it? What troubles in those Chembur West people gave my family. I went there for 15 to 20 minutes. Those people troubled me. What all stuff was going on? Huh? From there it has started. What can I do? Huh? And if East says, East has got me, like, East never asked for anything. East will never ask for anything. Why you know? The Chembur East, why you know? They are satisfied in their life. And they know one guy who can die for them is me. I will give my life for them. Chembur East people, my friends and everyone. These people, what do you call it, got the are in the upper hand, but my friends and everyone, I'll give my life for them. So over here, I'll give you the clearance. But West people, I still ask, ये सब करने की जरूरत थी कहीं? क्या किया है? कितना किया है? Still you are not stopping. Huh? These people, look, these are decent fellows. Those Chembur West people put everyone behind my back and they, what do you call it? Whatever happened to me, they will do it to these decent people in time. They will do it the same. एक के थ्रू बहुत बकरे मिल गए, ऐसा हो जाएगा. मैं नहीं चाहता ये किसी के साथ हो ऐसा, किसी के साथ भी नहीं. तो And for Chembur East, I will give my life for them. My friends and everyone. I love them and they love me. वंडर वुमेन का कुछ बोलने का क्या चेंबूर ईस्ट का नहीं ना, क्या वो टॉपिक ही नहीं निकलने दो। फ्यूनरल में गया था, कैसा मैं उधर था मेरे को मालूम है। ब्लैक टी शर्ट में कोई देख रहा था, मैं ऐसे इधर उधर देख रहा था ना। और उस दिन आज कितने जन ने ब्लैक पहना था फ्यूनरल में। मैं परेशान था उस दिन, मैं रो रहा था। ईस्ट पीपल मस्ट हैव सीन इट, वेस्ट में मैटर हो गया मेरा। So this territory deserve this clearance, not deserve, they are supposed to have this clearance क्योंकि वो चेंबूर वेस्ट वाले कैसे, और चेंबूर जिन्होंने स्कैम चालू किए, चेंबूर वेस्ट के लोगों कैसा किए। टेक माई एग्जाम्पल, ऐसा शरीफ लोगों के साथ होने देने का क्या। चेंबूर ईस्ट खुद बोलेगा ऐसा नहीं होने देने का, किसी के साथ भी नहीं। और चेंबूर ईस्ट तो अपनी जान है क्या नहीं। एंड दैट शुड बी नो वॉर्स एंड नो रेस थिंग एंड कट दिस आउट नाउ। दे ये जो फ्रंट कैमरा रिकॉर्डिंग ये सब जो भी कर रहे हैं वो चेंबूर वेस्ट के लोग, एंड फेसबुक एंड ऑल दिस थिंग। So have fun, let there be peace ना। कितना और ये क्या कितना साल चलेगा ये, कितना साल करने का ये। Let these people have clearance, let them be in peace. My family lives here. चेंबूर वेस्ट में तो क्या हैरान कर दिया उस स्कैमर लोगों ने, कितना हैरान किया वो चेंबूर वेस्ट में। मुझे, मेरे फैमिली को 3 बार अटैक, मेरे फैमिली के ऊपर अटैक, कितना क्या क्या किया। और ईस्ट तो मेरी जान है, ठीक है नहीं। आई लव ईस्ट, आई विल डाई फॉर देम, आई विल गिव माई लाइफ फॉर देम। चेंबूर ईस्ट कभी भूल नहीं सकता उन्होंने कितना किया, और वो भी कभी उनको भी मालूम है मैंने कभी कम नहीं किया किसी के लिए भी। वेस्ट नहीं, सब जगह पे खराबी कर दी मेरे, जो हो गया हो गया।